everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make some holiday earrings? I will be using the newest Softlex Company Design Kit Christmas sweater, and I'm using the exclusive Jesse James bead strand. And we will be using these little foil beads or spacers, but we're going to kind of create something a little different and make them into like a little chandelier component for an earring. So I'm using two of these ceramic little ornament beads. These were just so cute. Remind me of like the little hard candies, perfect for Christmas time, or like you'll see them at home decor, like gingerbread houses. So I wanted to make earrings with those. We'll just need some jump rings, and I'm using gold and silver for my project. Just because with the ceramic beads, they are a little bit gold in them. So just to highlight the gold and then mix my metals. You'll need a few spacers, or you can use like a little rhinestone bead, just kind of a little design elements. And then, of course, your ink beads. This strand was just so beautiful. I originally fell in love with it for these little bead clusters, and I do have a tutorial on my channel where I do create these. So I will leave a link down below in the description for that. But just a perfect Christmas color. If you wanted to get a couple strands, maybe save some of the beads for Valentine's Day. This is just such a beautiful strand. And this kit was fantastic. All of Softflix kits are, but the holiday ones are something special. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And I will also leave a link down below in the description for the unboxing of this fabulous kit and all other tutorials. Let's start creating. So when you look at the strand, what I love about the Jesse James B strands as well is they're already a bracelet or a necklace. So you could just restring it, leave the soft flex wire showing, and it's like a quick and easy 5-minute Christmas crafting project. So that's what I love about them. But you can also break them apart and make like little earrings, several pairs of earrings with it, or it's just perfect to go along with your kit. So like these right here, they could be a little angel if we had a pair of wings. Just super cute. So we're gonna just need these two little beads here, or two little foils. So those are gonna be our little chandelier findings. And then we're gonna move our ear findings off to the side. So we're gonna start by grabbing one of our head pins. And you can make your own head pins if you want out of soft flex craft wire. Sometimes they can be a little irregular, and the worst thing would be is if the bead just falls right off of that head pin or that wire. And then that just tends to look a little plain. So we're just going to add on a little spacer bead. And this is just going to highlight the gold on top of the ornament and keep our bead from moving and falling off. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And this works on anything if you have to make a dangle. It just kind of dresses them up. Or if you're doing like a charm bracelet and you just don't want, just that plain head pin, just put like a little bead on the bottom. Just kind of elevates that design. So we're going to be making loops. I am using my one-step looper and a 1.5 millimeter. We're just going to slide that into our tool and give it a squeeze. Now they are ceramic beads, so you want to make sure that it's not too tight on there. You don't want to damage your bead. We'll give it a squeeze and around those pliers and make sure that our loops are closed and nice and secure. These are just so adorable. I can see like a little charm bracelet with them. So we're going to bring in some 6 millimeter jump rings, and I am using gold. We're going to take our pliers and just gently twist side to side. Add in our little curly bead and attach it to just one side of our curl. And then we're going to close our jump ring, and you should hear a little click and it will be secure. So it almost looks like a little snowflake or another ornament. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're just going to open up our jump ring, attach our little charm, and then connect it to a loop and give it a close. And they're super lightweight, and they're ready to do a chandelier earring. You could have them go off the next little loop if you want. So we might add some green beads or something in there in just a moment. So we're going to open up our next little jump ring and attach it to the top part of our component and give it a close. James Beads does have some original beads. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. We're going to bring in our ear wires and attach it to the jump ring and give it a close. And do the same thing on the other side and give it a close. And we have cute and festive holiday earrings using the newest Softlex Company design kit. Couple options is you could add some more beads or maybe put a wire through them and maybe put some of the smaller beads. Like this was on the bead strand, but just, even some Softlex craft wire and then just kind of highlight that. Super cute, fun, and festive earrings. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Check out down below for more inspiration and holiday designs. Have an awesome day.